Hello, my name is Tiara Schimek, and in this video we will give you a brief overview of a design process in our online kitchen designer KPS.MAX web. We are now in our online kitchen designer, where you can choose between different kitchens as an inspirational design. At the top left, you can filter the inspirations by kitchen style and also by price category. We choose a kitchen and click on To the Room. We can also select your room shape here, and at the top right you can also rotate this room. Next, you are asked whether you already have a water connection or if, for example, you are building a new property and can still choose where to have it installed. You can also decide whether the kitchen should be created with or without an island, whether you would like to have a separate extractor hood, or if you prefer an integrated top extractor, whether the oven should be installed raised or preferably combined with a hob. And the last question is whether you would like a built-in fridge or prefer freestanding cooling equipment. Then the room is created, which you can customize according to your dimensions. You can make the walls smaller or bigger, and also customize and move existing room elements. If you need additional room elements, you can add more at the top left. You can use the styling area to determine the floor covering and the wall color. You could also add the connections now too. Now the kitchen is created for you according to the dimensions and preferences you previously entered. The first suggestion is shown and you still have additional suggestions to choose from on the left side. If you activate a different suggestion, the kitchen is updated immediately. In the middle, you will see the 3D view, where you can move around the room. You can also use the 2D view, which gives you a clearer overview of the individual items. Now you can replace or add additional items. For example, I would like to add a steamer. To do this, I activate Appliances at the top left. Select the steamer, the desired cabinet, and can even select an optional warming drawer for it. When we click on Finish, the cabinet is placed in the room with the appliance, which you can move to the desired position. The colors can also be adjusted. For example, you may want the island in a different color. To do this, select a cabinet on the island, click on Change, and you can change the color at the top left in the styling area. You will be asked whether you only want to change the color of the selected cabinet or whether you would like to change the color for the entire island, for example. The decorative items are present from the start, but you can also change or add them at any point. Once the kitchen is styled to your preferences, you can head straight to the contact area at the bottom right, or take a look at the overview in the top right first. You will find an overview of the different perspectives there, as well as all kitchen details. Continue to the contact area where you can enter your contact details. If available, you can choose between the different branches for the location selection. The address will be displayed directly underneath each branch. You can also choose a preferred date for the initial consultation and indicate when the kitchen will be needed. Comments can also be added. As soon as you click on Send, your personal design code will be created, which you can use to customize the kitchen at any time. You will also be sent a confirmation email at the same time. Thank you for your attention. Look out for the next KPS.MAX web videos where we will introduce features such as the round trip and the admin area.